In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple languages to a Weebly website. If you want to make your Weebly site more accessible to visitors from different regions, adding a language switcher is a simple and effective way to do it. In this walkthrough, I'll show you the basic process so you can place a multilingual tool directly on your website and let visitors switch between languages more easily. To begin, go to a tool like the Elf-Site language switcher and choose the languages you want to offer on your website. This is the stage where you decide which audiences you want to support. So take a moment to think about the languages your visitors are most likely to need. Many language switcher tools also let you customize how the selector appears, such as showing country flags, language names, or a drop-down style. Keep your design clean and easy to recognize so visitors can find it quickly. Once you've selected your target languages and finished the setup, save your changes and copy the JavaScript embed code the tool provides. This code is what connects the language switcher to your Weebly site. Make sure you copy the full code exactly as provided. If anything is missing, the widget may not display or function properly once it's added to your page. Next, open your Weebly editor. This is where you'll place the language switcher on your site. If you're already signed in and viewing your site dashboard, just enter the editor for the website you want to update. Before making changes, it's a good idea to think about where the language switcher should appear. Common placements include the top of the page, the navigation area, or the footer, depending on your layout and how visible you want it to be. Now drag an embed code element onto your page or into your footer, then paste the code you copied earlier into that element. This step inserts the language switcher widget into your site. Placing it in the footer can make it appear across more pages, while placing it in a specific page section can help you control exactly where visitors see it. After pasting the code, give the page a moment to load the embedded content if needed. Once everything is in place, preview your site to confirm the switcher appears correctly and works as expected. If it looks good, you're ready to publish your changes and make your multilingual feature live. And that's how to add multiple languages to a Weebly website.